Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So, in today's video, we are going to decorate this bin that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I love the color. It's more of a blush pink, and I thought it would be perfect for a Mother's Day gift, more of a motivational Mother's Day gift for a friend or a mom or just someone who is like a mom to you. So I am using my Cricut, and I am going to put vinyl on the side of it, and it says pinking of you. So that's the whole theme for this Mother's Day gift basket. It is pinking. Instead of thinking, it is pinking of you. And everything that we're going to be putting on the inside of this basket, you can find almost everything at the Dollar Tree. Or for less than $1. So the first thing I wanted to do was kind of line the bottom of the basket so that I didn't have to put so many items in and that they wouldn't get lost in the process. I'm also going to be doing the heat wrap for the very first time, and so while we're putting this together, our friend at home with Nikki is on the phone with me, actually walking me through that whole process. So the first thing that I'm going to add is the plates that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, along with this purpose planner, and it was actually free. It is a Purpose Babe planner, and I got it for free with a purchase of some other items, so I thought this was really good to pass along, and it also matched the color scheme as well. And when you're thinking about putting together like a motivational Mother's Day basket, think about, the person that you're gifting it to and things that you think will motivate and inspire them. Maybe base it around some goals that, that they may have that they want to reach, or things that they love, just, anything that is motivational and inspiring. And once you're putting like the filling into the bottom, if it doesn't work, you guys, don't be afraid to start over. You'll see me start over several times in this process. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. You just kind of design it and create it until it feels right for you. Now, I know right now the Dollar Tree has some other colored baskets out. They have a darker pink and blues and things like that. So definitely take advantage of all of that. And if you don't have a Cricut, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Cricut, but this is just one of the many ways that Cricuts can be used. So I wanted to use my taller items in the back, and then once I get those in place, we'll go in and add in the additional items. I also picked up some really cute journals and kind of like pouches, just a lot of things that were motivational and encouraging. And I believe the entire price of this basket, like I said, most of the items were either free or from the Dollar Tree, and the entire basket cost me less than, I would say, $15. So even with it being a $1.25 tree at this point, it's so weird for me to say that. You guys, let me know if you've gotten used to the $1.25 tree down in the comments below. So we're going to get I'm going to speed it up to kind of show you guys this process, and then I'll be back on the other side to describe the items that went on the inside of it. Okay guys, so on the inside, as you guys can see, I placed a journal, so a notebook. I also had the lens, kind of like a creme brulee, I think it was. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. And I also picked up some containers from the Dollar Tree that I monogrammed. And I added like the word snack. I made, and you can put like, you know, your little snacks on the inside. I absolutely love that. I decided to put the chocolate on the inside of it. And then I also added in some eyelashes that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And if you guys missed it, I did some beauty tips the other day on my Amazon Live and just kind of showing how to do like everyday makeup if you're not like a makeup professional or anything like that. And so I do love these new snack cups from the Dollar Tree. You can put like the dip and everything on the inside. So like you can put fruit, or you can put veggies and dips and maybe a salad, a shakeable salad. So many possibilities with this. And so I thought that would be super cute as well. And the fact that I have them monogram with like snack or sandwich or sweets or whatever the case may be. And then I found this really cute little pocket planner at this store called, I think it's like a bargain store, and things are like super cheap on Tuesdays, and you can get them like 10 things, or like you can fill up a basket and whatever you can get in the bag for like $10, you can get it, or it's like 50 cents a piece. And I looked them up on Amazon, they were like $50. So I was really excited about that find. So that is all that's in the basket, you guys. I hope you're inspired to do something super sweet for Mother's Day. I will tell you that, you know, the wrapping was a beast, but it turned out absolutely gorgeous and it looked so professional. So I'm going to show you guys how everything ended up once I got it all wrapped. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you at the next one.